Tuesday. My name is Dr. Phil, and this Tuesday I'm going to show you how to change your default home page and web browser from Bing to your desired home page and web browser. Enjoy this Tuesday with a cup of coffee. The network cable. Internet slow. A VPN connect. There's no hope. My name is Dr. Phil, and this is your Tech Tip Tuesday. Alright, I'm going to show you how to set Microsoft Edge as your default, change your default start page from Bing to Google.com, from Bing to default search engine Google, and I'm also going to show you how to make Google.com your home page as opposed to Bing. So here we go. You go to Microsoft Edge. If you have the misfortune of using it, I'm sorry for you, but here is the down low on this. So when you first open up Microsoft Edge, you see this beautiful page right here. Now, what if you don't want to see that beautiful page? You just go to Settings, and then you go to Open Microsoft Edge with a specific page or set of pages. So I'm going to make it Google.com. I'm going to select Save. So now when you open up Microsoft Edge again, Google.com is now going to be your startup page. But suppose I'm not happy with that. Suppose I want to make sure that Microsoft Edge, or in Microsoft Edge, Google is also my default when I select the home button. Right now it is not configured that way, the start page, and now I've got this ugly face on the front of my screen, and I don't want that. So I want to make it Google Chrome. I want to make it Google.com. So quite simple, go down to Settings, View Advanced Settings after you press to the horizontal three dots. And then you say under Show the Home button, make sure this is slid over to On, and then you press Start Page and you say I want to select a specific page. You go to www.google.com and you press Save. So now when I close out and I come back in, say I go to bbc.com and I want to check out the news. I still got that same face, but that's okay. I'm going to press the Home button and boom, it's gone. We've got Google.com. Now suppose you want to search with Google. Now if you search for pink gorillas, unfortunately what uses to search for pink gorillas is Bing. Say you want Google to be your default search engine. To note, we've got to first search Google.com before we can make it our default search engine, because Microsoft Edge has to discover it. We go to Settings, we go to View Advanced Settings, and we scroll down and we say I want to change my search engine. It's currently set to Bing. It's discovered Google. I set it as the default. To note, there's no way to remove Bing completely from your potential search engine options. It's just programmed into Microsoft Edge. That's one of the plights of having to use Microsoft Edge as opposed to using Google Chrome, Firefox, or even, dare I say it, Internet Explorer. So you make Google.com your default, and now Bing will never show up. So now when I search for pink elephants, this time we've got boom, Google.com has searched for pink elephants. And voila, there you go. I have showed you how to use, with Microsoft Edge, change your start page from Bing to Google.com. I've showed you how to change your home page from Bing to Google.com, and I've showed you how to change your default search engine from Bing to Google.com. I hope you've enjoyed this. I hope you have a wonderful Tuesday and drink lots of coffee. Watch this over again if you didn't catch everything. Enjoy.